guys, pad reveal. Pesande. Te, baliktad ka. Baliktad na tuloy lalo. Get ready ka na. Ito na yung stylus pen. Mabukas ka naman, ti. Uy. Yan. Hindi yung makalbo ka lang dyan. Wait, meron ako magic trick. Okay. Get ready. Uy. Uy. Kailangan yung Bluetooth para sa keyboard. O, diba? Bubukas na tong aking mouse, eh. Problema na naman to, oh. Kita nyo yan? Yan yung mouse ko dyan, oh. Tatai ako. Okay, guys. Bye. Yan lang. Uwe! Joke lang, di pa to tapos. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-type. Go goddamn shake! Congratulations, all of friends! Ang kaya pala. I-check ko muna yun. Login ko nga to. Oh man, bro. You mean, oh well. I am joking. I do not talk like that. You mean, oh well. Oh my gosh. I never said anything like that.
Welcome back. It's great to see you again. I hope you had a nice, relaxing break. Since you mentioned you're recording your phone, let me know if there's anything specific you'd like me to help with while you're at it. Got it. I'll just be right here hanging out with you while you record. Whenever you're ready for anything else, or if you just want to chat, I'm all ears. Aha, it sounds like you're having a lot of fun over there. Are you just typing out some secret chat code, or did you accidentally bump the screen while you were recording?
Just typing nonsense.